Hello guys, good morning. Another adventure. We're going to Las Vegas. And as ama pang asar na pawangkin, look at my tita sleeping. So around mga 5 hours land trip yata to from Arizona to Las Vegas. Let's go! Nag-stop over lang kami sa gas station. Tapos nag-toilet lang. And then, continue na naman. So, hello guys. Kararating lang namin sa hotel. Magcha-check-in lang kami. Tapos, mag-rest lang ng konti. Then, mag-iikot-ikot mamayang gabi. We're going around Vegas.
Yeah.
We're here in the hotel. Room 1 kami. Elevator lobby. Let's go! So, samahan nyo lang kaming maglakad-lakad. Lakad lang tayo. Still here in Las Vegas. So we are here in the fountains of Bellagio. This is a must-see when you are visiting Las Vegas and the Strip. More than 1,000 fountains way in front of the hotel, which is enhanced by music and light. The display spans more than 1,000 feet with water soaring as high as 460 feet into the air. This is free kaya marami ding tao and kailangan makahanap ka ng magandang pwesto para makita mo din yung fountain show ng maayos. Depende rin ata to may mga timing yung mga fountain show. I think it's either every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes yata. Depende sa araw and depende sa oras.
A few moments later.
After the fountain show, nag-start na din kaming bumalik sa hotel. And then, nadaanan namin tong ice cream shop na to. Mukhang masarap siya kaya nag-stop by kami and bumili din kami ng ice cream. Maraming different flavors kaya medyo nahirapan ako mag-decide kung anong flavor ang kukunin ko. Sa huli, I chose pomegranate. And let's go! Balik na tayo sa hotel.
The next day.
Guys, good morning. We're here in Hoover Dam. So, akyat na akyat is the way up. Medyo malayo. Buti na lang hindi pa masyado mainit. This tour is actually papuntang Grand Canyon. Pero since madadaanan to, magsa-stop over tayo dito. So, yeah. Let's go! So, the name of the bridge is the Mike O. Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, which is formerly known as the Hoover Dam Bridge. It is an arc bridge in the United States that spans the Colorado River between the states of Arizona and Nevada. So, from the bridge, we will be looking over the Hoover Dam, which is a concrete arc gravity dam on the Colorado River built between 1931 and 1936. It provides flood control, hydroelectric power, and water for irrigation and domestic use to the southwestern United States. The dam is a major tourist attraction located on the Arizona-Nevada border. Maganda yung dam nila and helpful din sa flood control. Sana all. Charing.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, we're here in Grand Canyon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. There. This is just Grand Canyon West. Wow! May cafe din. We're back in the hotel. Magre-rest lang ng konti. Tapos magde-dinner. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung bonding ng mga matatanda. And then, bibili lang ng dinner. Tapos bibili ng mga souvenirs. Kasi bukas, babalik na kami sa Arizona. So, today is our last day in Las Vegas. Magche-check out lang kami. And then, magbe-breakfast. Tapos, uuwi na. Mahaba-habang biyahe pa to ulit. Kaya, see you na lang sa Arizona. Good morning guys! We're back in Arizona. And mag-breakfast lang tayo. So, today, last day ni Tita Betty dahil bukas, she's going back to Northern Ireland. So, ang agenda natin today, mag-visit daw tayo sa zoo. Tapos, bibili ng pasalubong ng tita ko para sa mga workmates niya. Hi guys! We're in Phoenix Zoo. Te, init te. Init! Init kong init. 34 degrees yarn. Sando pa more! Hi! I'm so tired. Tapos na kaming mag-round sa Phoenix Zoo. Hi, tita! Hello! So, after namin sa zoo, actually nag-outlet pa kami. Pero hindi ko na pala na-videohan. Wala din akong picture. Andito nga pala kami sa Papa Dough for... Hindi ko nga sure kung late lunch ba yan or early dinner. So, yan yung mga kinain namin. Steak, mashed potato. Hindi ko na maalala yung iba. Tapos, ito, crispy fried alligator.
24 hours later.
So, hinatid pala namin si tita kanina sa airport. And, yan. Relax lang tayo. Nood, ganun. Good morning, guys. We're here in the neighborhood. Maglalakad lang tayo. We're going to Walgreens. Hindi nga ako nagpaalam. Just walking. So, last day nga pala natin dito sa Arizona. And then, may pupuntahan tayong next. So, yan. Pupunta muna ako Walgreens. Bibili na ako ng napkin. Kasi, ayun, naubusan. Nakabili na ako. Let's go! Good morning, guys! Andito tayo sa airport. We're going to our next destination. So yeah, mag-check-in lang tayo and then hanapin natin yung gate natin. Maghihintay lang tayo ng few minutes tapos lilipad na tayo. So that's it for this vlog guys. See you on the next one. Bye!